Guys, the right lighting can completely change the way your room feels. And while some RGB lamps promise cool effects, in real life they can feel basic, harsh, or more like party decorations. Flashy colors are nice, but lighting that actually fits your daily routine is a completely different story. I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today I am checking out the Neewer NF-01 Smart RGB ICW floor lamp. It's an AI-powered lighting solution for modern living spaces, gaming rooms, creative environments, or anyone upgrading their home ambience. In this review we'll cover my first impressions, AI scenes, and much more. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's open it up. Alright my friends, let's start with the basics. The Neewer NF-01 uses RGB ICW lighting, which basically means you get full RGB color, independent control for more dynamic effects, and dedicated white light in one setup. It's trying to do two jobs: work as a real room light and create an atmosphere when you want the space to feel different. The design is tall, vertical, and minimalist. At about 58.8 inches and just over 5 pounds, it doesn't take much floor space, but it still feels surprisingly sturdy. In the box you get the base, bendable light strip, and 3 aluminum poles. Plus there are connectors, an adapter, screwdriver, screws, and remote control. Assembly is pretty straightforward, folks. Connect the pole sections, clip on the strip, and attach the base. Once that's done, just plug it in and control it with the remote or the app. Okay guys, now let's dive a little deeper. As I said earlier, the NF-01 isn't just another basic RGB lamp. The point is not only choosing one of the basic colors, it is about building scenes that change how the room feels. You get more than 16 million colors, adjustable white light, and a color temperature range from a warm 1800 to a crisp 6500 Kelvin. So you can set it low and cozy for movies, or brighter and cooler when you need to focus. Brightness goes up to 1500 lumens, with smooth dimming from 1% to 100%. Plus, there's a 180-degree beam angle that helps the light spread across the room. Folks, it can work as mood lighting or background glow for a studio or gaming setup. And I'm pretty sure you can use it as a softer main room lighting when you do not want the glare of a ceiling light. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Alright, we're back. The main feature here is the AI-powered lighting. Through the Neewer Home app, you can describe a mood in text, speak a theme out loud, or use a photo or piece of art as inspiration. Then the AI lighting engine builds a scene automatically. For example, you could ask for something like a relaxing forest at dusk, and the lamp adjusts the colors and brightness around that idea. The app also gives you the regular smart controls, my friends. It's really simple to create DIY effects, use scheduling, and choose from more than 50 preset scenes across holidays, nature, and moods. And if you do not want to reach for your phone, the physical remote gives you no fuss control. For smart home users, the lamp works with Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can turn it on, dim it, or change scenes hands-free. Music sync is also fun for parties or gaming sessions, because the lamp reacts in real time to music or sound effects. So I treat this smart tool as a way to make lighting more flexible and less boring. But definitely, it's not a full replacement for every other light in your room. Folks, let's step back from the feature list and talk about real day-to-day use. The biggest advantage over a standard RGB lamp is the white light side. The NF-01 gives you adjustable white light, so you can go warm for relaxing or reading and cooler for work or gaming. That makes it feel like a proper lamp, not just a mood gadget. You also get sleep mode, which can gradually dim the light as you get ready for bed. With scheduling, you can wake up to soft morning light instead of switching on harsh ceiling fixtures. The 1 to 100% dimming range helps too. Barely there night lighting or higher brightness during the day. Another thing that matters is placement, guys. It looks and works best behind the desk, beside a TV, or as a camera background. Anywhere the lamp can wash light across a wall instead of shining into open space. But if you only need simple white light with zero fuss, you probably will not get full value from the AI scenes, music sync, or advanced controls. Alright, my friends, let's wrap it up. The Neewer NF-01 is a smart floor lamp with RGBW lighting and customizable AI scenes. It provides 1500 lumen output, wide coverage, and app control. Personally, I really like the scheduling feature and the precise dimming controls. The lamp's strongest points are the AI scene engine, white and RGB control, solid brightness, and smart home support. And folks, the smart features matter if you will use them. If you just want the cheapest lamp for a corner, this is not it. But for creators, gamers, or anyone wanting a more immersive space, it makes sense. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.